6 months. Gusset broke. Inside watered out. Equalizer. The boat sawed in half. How long you think that was gonna last? This trailer wasn't even being used for about 8-9 months. About 9 months. Like I told you, when I said every nothing boat under this trailer gonna be brand new. Oh, I mean it. I mean it. Oh. Merry Christmas to me. Ooh, them national seals, them good seals. Ooh, them good seals. Ooh, it's a $500 box right here. This is about $500. Boy, they go to old when they get mashed up. Ain't that old going? Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, we got extras for you, but do you, boy? Oh, please. Yeah. Ain't no cap. Ain't no cap. When I said I'm getting done, and the hole ain't messed up. Hole still good. Both sides got the square peg in and everything. And you see me, what they'll call in the South, rust free. Rust free. Rust free. Oh man, I got 4 brand new brakes. I got all the bearings. I got got good grease. Good grease and all of that there good stuff. Oh wow. Think that might end up being something. As always, you know, I ain't saying halfway doing that. Oh, these tires they never touched the ground but about 30 days. 30 days. Oh, okay. Make around. Oh, for sale. Don't nobody want to talk about that. You need one of them? You need some of them? Oh, they ain't bad. They perfectly clean, perfectly good. I'm getting my garage back, y'all. I'm working on it. Slowly but surely. I'm getting my garage back. But guess what? I'm making an awesome trailer to sell one of you guys. When I tell you we putting the work in, I said every nothing boat. They're coming down it, cause we do full rebuild on it. Actually got the brand new never adjust. I ain't get the cheap regular AK brakes. I got you don't never adjust. Every time you bag up, hold on. Every time you bag up, they readjust. They sell. So you don't get no out of service. Hold on, let's do it. Let's do it for real. I know I like to do it for real. Ain't no cap on mine. Never adjust. With the adjuster, all that automatic shit, brand new. Oh, sick. Get about $500 worth of brakes on the lick. That's all so big, Jack.